Welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to upgrade your Firefox browser on Android using 3 simple extensions that completely change your browser experience. So let's get started. So firstly go to your Firefox, click on 3 dots. Here you will select extensions, scroll till last. Here you will see find more extensions. Then search for the first one is clear URLs. Click on add to Firefox, then click on add. This extension upgrade your browser privacy instantly, like remove tracking from links, stop website from following your clicks, given clean simple URLs, improve privacy without an extra effort. Like you will see, this extension will statics will be, we are searching for google.com. Now see the statics. 16 blocked, elements 240 and percentage 6.67. If you want to reset it, you can reset. The second one is reader mode. You can search for reader plus. Here is reader view plus. Click on add to Firefox. Click on add. It will remove ads and pop-ups, convert any article into clean text, make reading easier and faster, perfect for blog, news and guides, like searching for any blog. Now we are enabling reader view. With the help of this, you can simply read the article without any extra advertisement. And the third one is single file. This is a game changer. It's a full web page in one click, work offline anytime, keep text, images and layout, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, like the video and thanks for watching.